The topic which we are discussing today is structure of alkyl groups with their IUPAC name. In the last lecture, we are already done with structure of alkyl groups from 1 carbon to 5 carbon, and we are done with their common names. Now we are moving towards their IUPAC names. Say if we have got just one carbon atom, N is 1, the structure of the alkyl group will be, Krisha, can you tell me structure of the alkyl group for 1 carbon? CH3 dash. Please be loud so that we all can hear you clearly. And what will be the IUPAC name? It will be methyl. The common and IUPAC name will not change. Why?
No isomers.
No isomers, and otherwise also, even if we have isomers, we don't have any difference in the nomenclature of the basic name of alkyl group, whether it is in common or IUPAC. If you remember, see, when we wrote IUPAC name of neopentane, we wrote 2,2-dimethyl propane. So see, 2,2-dimethyl. Methyl what doesn't change in common or IUPAC? Yes or no?
Yes.
So that is for 1 carbon. And now we move to the next one. If there are 2 carbon atoms, N is equal to 2. So I can make Chatri dash Chattu dash, that is CH3 dash CH2 dash. The name will be?
Ethyl group.
Yes. And the common name also for ethyl is? You remember? The common name for ethyl is?
Ethyl.
Ethyl only. Now we go to 3 carbon atoms. It is clear till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So for 3 carbons, we have C3H7 dash, which is the molecular formula. This is the molecular formula. And it will have how many isomers?
2.
2.
2 isomers are possible. And can anyone tell me what is the structure of those 2 isomers? Yeah. Anyone can say?
Chatri, Chattu dash.
Yeah, that is one of the structure. CH3, CH2, CH2 dash. Okay, what about next? Anyone? I heard CH.
CH2 branch.
CH2? No, there is no CH2 in this.
CH3,
CH3,
Yeah. Monish, tell me. Monish, tell me. CH3?
CH3, CH3. And CH a branch.
Branch? Branch?
Functional
unused
Functional
bond.
group.
Unused bond. This is not branch, this is unused bond. Branches are of carbons. Okay, Monish?
Yes, miss.
Unused bonds are not branches. Now, the name will be propyl group. And we can also call it 1-propyl. What does 1 indicate? The position of the unused bond. What does 1 indicate?
Position of the unused bond.
1 is position of the unused bond. Remember, wherever there is an unused bond, that point, that carbon, that position is numbered as 1 in alkyl groups nomenclature in IUPAC system. क्या बोला इतना सारा? मैंने ये बोला कि जब भी आप अल्काइल ग्रुप का नाम आयुपैक सिस्टम में लिखेंगे तो जहां आपको उसकी खाली शेंडी दिखेगी यानी अनयूज बॉन्ड दिखेगा, उस कार्बन को आप 1 लिखेंगे और उस कार्बन को 1 लिख के आप लॉन्ग चेन सिलेक्ट करेंगे. बट सी माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, alkanes में ऐसा नहीं होता. In alkanes it is not that way. We always number the carbon chain from the end of the chain. We always start numbering the carbon chain from the end in alkanes. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
तो alkane का नंबरिंग करने के टाइम कार्बन चेन का नंबरिंग उसके किसी भी एंड से होगा, and the end is selected in such a manner so that the branches and the functional groups get the lowest possible number. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But when we are naming an alkyl तो हम branches को इसको उसको lowest possible number मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा वो सब बात की बात है. लेकिन सबसे पहले when we start numbering, position 1 should be given to that carbon which is having the
Unused bond.
Unused valency.
Once again, I repeat, while numbering an alkyl group, position 1 should be given to that carbon which is having a,
Unused bond.
Unused bond.
okay. So this is the unused bond. इसको 1 दे दिया, इसको 1 लिख के लॉन्ग चेन सिलेक्ट किया तो लॉन्ग चेन में मैक्सिमम 2 ही कार्बन हो सकते हैं. यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
And hence the
Yes.
name becomes, 2 कार्बन लॉन्ग चेन में है तो हमने लिखा इथाइल. इथेन क्यों नहीं लिखा हमने?
There is an
Unused
unused
bond.
bond.
अनयूज बॉन्ड है. और 1 पे
Unused
और
bond.
एक है, और 1 पे जो छतरी है उसको बोलते हैं मिथाइल. तो इसका आयुपैक नेम हुआ 1 मिथाइल इथाइल. इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes.
1 मिथाइल, ये मिथाइल है. 1 मिथाइल इथाइल. इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Everybody? Okay.
Yes.
So we move to the next one now. I'm just making the table for Fafat. How many alkyl groups are possible with 4 carbons? You remember?
4.
4.
Okay.
4.
So we have got 4 subdivisions over here. Okay. Now, सुनते रहना ध्यान से क्या कह रहे हैं हम. Number of carbon atoms. Here I am writing the structure of, what are we learning, bacha?
Alkyl.
Alkyl group.
And here I am writing IUPAC name of the,
Alkyl.
Alkyl group.
and now we are in N equal to,
4.
4.
so what will be the molecular formula?
C4. Chatri, Chattu, Chattu.
Oh my God, that's the structure. That is the structure.
H9 dash.
H9 dash. This you obtained from which general formula?
CnH2n
CnH2n
plus 1
dash.
dash.
Okay. CnH2n plus 1 dash. Now, Yashvi, tell me the structure. Chatri.
Chattu, 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 and unused one.
How many Chattu?
3.
Unused bond on Chatri?
No, and the Chattu last one.
That is not last, that is first one. Why I said that is first one?
We count the carbon with unused one is counted as first.
Okay. It's not counted, is numbered as 1. We can also call it 1 butyl. Is it clear? Next.
Yes.
Pratham, tell me the structure of sec-butyl.
CH3, CH2, CH, and we have 1 branch functional group on CH.
Okay. Now from where to number it, Josh? कहां से नंबरिंग करूं जश?
Number from CH.
CH जहां पे अनयूज बॉन्ड है वहां से 1 लिखेंगे. 1 लिख के राइट में जाऊं 2 लिखने या लेफ्ट में लिखूं 2 3?
Left.
अगर मैं राइट में जाऊंगी, इफ आई गो टू द राइट देन आई विल गेट ओनली 2 कार्बन्स इन द लॉन्ग चेन. लेकिन अगर मैं लेफ्ट में जाती हूँ तो आई विल गेट 3 कार्बन इन द लॉन्ग चेन एंड द लॉन्गर चेन विल बी विद 3 कार्बन एंड नॉट विद 2 कार्बन. So the correct numbering is when I go to the left. So I find in the long chain there are 3 carbons. For 3 carbons I am writing propyl. तो इतने structure का नाम मैंने propyl रख दिया. And there is a chhatri on 1, so I call it 1-methyl propyl. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Keegan, tell me the structure of isobutyl.
CH3,
Hmm.
CH2,
CH2.
no, CH,
Yeah.
then two,
Hmm.
CH3
CH3 where?
in the end.
End.
No, on CH.
Okay. And where is the unused bond?
The unused bond is on CH2.
Okay. What is the rule for iso, Keegan?
For iso, the rule is that the functional group has to be on the second last carbon.
What?
Sorry. The functional group has to be on the first carbon and the on the prime and the branch, methyl branch has to be 2 carbons on the second last carbon.
Okay. Now we write position 1 to the carbon having the unused bond. 1, 2, 3. So this much is propyl, and we have methyl on the second, so it becomes 2-methyl propyl. Yes or no? Now I'm writing tertiary butyl. 1 carbon attached to 3 carbons is a tertiary carbon. And when the tertiary carbon is having the unused bond, that is the functional group, then it is tert butyl. Now we'll number the chain from the carbon having the unused bond. जिस carbon पे unused bond है उसको 1 लिखा, बाजू वाले को 2 लिखा. इस तरह से इतना मिला मुझे long chain. तो मैंने long chain को लिखा ethyl because there are 2 carbons in the long chain with an unused bond. So I wrote ethyl. And there are 2 branches on the first carbon and they are the methyl branches. So I am writing 1,1-dimethyl ethyl. I'm writing 1,1-dimethyl ethyl. Between 2 numbers, I'm writing a comma, and between a number and an alphabet, I'm writing a hyphen. Is this clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So total,
Yes, ma'am.
I could make 4 isomeric alkyl groups with 4 carbons. I could make 4 isomeric alkyl groups with 4 carbons. Is this clear to you? 100%?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we go to N-igloo 5, and
Five.
we're moving to N-igloo 5. We can make how many alkyl groups? Do you remember?
8.
8.
8.
8.
8
Eight.
alkyl groups. Okay. So 8 alkyl groups. Okay. Here we'll be writing number of carbons. Here we'll be writing the structure, and there I'll be writing that back name. 8. Let me just try if we can divide it into 8, although it looks difficult. 2, 3. I'll write a little small, huh? Let us try. So now we are into 8. So here I am writing number of carbons in the first column. We are into 5 carbons right now. I am writing the structure of the alkyl group. That is structure of various pentyles right now. You know, pentyl group is also known as amyl group. Pentyl group is also known as amyl group, amyl, A-M-Y-L. N is equal to 5, so we have got C5H11 dash, and this is with the reference to the formula CnH2n plus 1 dash, and we'll be writing 8 isomers of alkyl groups right now. And in that, the first one is CH3, CH2, 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 CH2 dash. What do you understand by this carbon chain? It is straight and unbranched. Now see what I'm doing. I'm making you understand something, a trick to keep it in your mind, how to learn the structures of all 8 alkyl groups. I'll keep the carbon chain straight and unbranched, and I'll change the position of this unused bond. First, the unused bond was on 1 degree. Now I'm changing it to 2 degree. And I realize I can make one more by changing the position of unused bond to 2 degree carbon. It is 2 degree carbon, but its position is 3rd. So I can put it here. So I made 3 structures. What I basically did is I had kept once the functional group on 1 degree carbon, then kept it on 2 degree carbon, then again kept it on 2 degree carbon. And I made all 3 by keeping the carbon chain straight and unbranched and exactly same. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what I will do, I will make a branch in the carbon chain. I am putting a branch on the 2nd carbon. Look at it. 2nd carbon पे एक छतरी डाल दिया. ये देखो ऐसा मैंने लिख दिया. See what I'm doing. It's something very easier to recollect. I'm just making this same structure 4 times. See what I'm doing. I'm just making same structure 4 times. CH3, CH2, CH3. I'll make it once more. एक बार और मैं ये वाला स्ट्रक्चर बनाऊंगी. देखो, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है मैं 4 ग्रुप बना सकती हूँ इस स्ट्रक्चर में से, तो मैंने ये मैंने स्ट्रक्चर 4 बार बना लिया. अब मैं क्या करूंगी, शेंडी यानी एक अनयूज बॉन्ड मुझे लगाना है. तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने यहां से एक H निकाला. समझ रहे हो? तो यहां से एक H निकाला. एक H निकाला तो यहाँ कितने H बच गए? हेलो, यहाँ कितने H बच गए? 2 H बच गए. और वहां जहां से मैंने H निकाला वहां मैंने एक अनयूज बॉन्ड डाल दिया. यस और नो?
Yes.
अब चेन को बिल्कुल सीधा रखूंगी और मैंने यहां से एक H निकाला. कहां से H निकाला? अभी मैंने फ्रॉम हेलो सेकंड डिग्री कार्बन से निकाला और यहाँ मैंने एक अनयूज बॉन्ड डाल दिया. यस और नो?
Yes.
नेक्स्ट में क्या करूंगी, एक और आगे जा रही हूँ, यहाँ से H निकाल रही हूँ. यानी अब की बार मैंने H कहाँ से निकाला? फ्रॉम वेयर आई रिमूव्ड H फ्रॉम द 3 degree कार्बन एंड आई पुट एन अनयूज्ड बॉन्ड देयर. नाउ आई विल रिमूव द H फ्रॉम दिस 1 degree कार्बन. If I remove a H from that 1 degree carbon, number of hydrogen left there will be 2. And what I am doing is I am putting an unused bond here. Do you understand what I did?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Now I am coming to, now I'm changing the category. I am keeping 3 in the straight chain and I am keeping 2 branches. And by doing that, I can make only one structure because किधर भी मैं H निकालूंगी वो सेम ही बनेगा. इधर 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 all are same. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
समझा मैंने क्या किया? Basically, see what I did was मैंने ऐसे कार्बन चेन बना लिया 1 2 3 4 5 फिर मुझे मालूम है another carbon chain is this, another carbon chain is this. Do you know what I made? ये तीन मैंने क्या बनाया actually? Can anyone tell me? Actually, with 5 carbons, I made 3 alkanes. I know with 5 carbon, I can make 3 alkanes. That is N-pentane, isopentane, neopentane. Now, when I remove the hydrogen atom, I can remove hydrogen from here when I get N-pentyl. I can remove from here, I get sec-pentyl. I can remove from here, I still get sec-pentyl. But I'll not go further because I'll get similar to first and second. I remove H from here, I get isopentyl. I remove H from here, I get no common name. I remove H from here, I get third pentyl. I remove H from here, I get no common name. I remove H from here, I get neopentyl. Do you get me what I'm doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Or it is all going bouncer?
No, we are understanding.
Okay. Now, I want to name all of them. So the carbon having the Shendy is 1. So I call it 1 pentyl. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Or I can simply call it pentyl. That's also okay. Now I number it from here. Yes, this is the first.
Yes.
So
Yes,
2, 3, 4. So can you tell me the name?
Butyl.
1 methyl butyl. Don't forget this now. Now you can tell me the name. 1 methyl butyl. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now where shall I write 1? Here.
Yes.
Yes.
So I can number in any direction.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the name? 1.
One propyl ethyl.
No, 1 ethyl propyl. How can you write propyl first? Long chain आप last में लिखोगे ना? Long chain end में लिखते हैं भाई. So here I'll be numbering as like this. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the name? 3 methyl
Butyl.
butyl. 4 carbon in the long chain. समझ आ रहा है ना बच्चा पार्टी?
Yes, ma'am.
Here I number from here. Tell me which direction to go.
Left.
No.
So 2, 3. So tell me how to write 3 in the long chain. So propyl. Then what is left?
Methyl.
1 methyl.
Not 1 methyl. 2 methyl है एक ये एक
1,
1,
2 methyl.
1, 2 dimethyl propyl. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then this one, I'll
Yes.
number it here. 1. Now 2, 3. What will be the name?
1, 1
1,
1, 1 dash dimethyl
propyl.
propyl.
propyl. Okay, now what I'll do? क्या करें क्या न करें? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me, बच्चों.
2
Methyl.
butyl.
All are understanding? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what to do? What to do? 1, 2, 3. So 2, 2. 2, 2.
Dimethyl propyl.
2, 2 dimethyl
Propyl.
propyl. 2, 2 dimethyl propyl. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is 2, 2 dimethyl propyl. So I hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes.
अरे बोलो भाई जोर से तो बोलो समझो तो.
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अभी पूरा एक बार देखते हैं. What all? What all?
Alkyl groups and their alkyl names.
Number of carbons. Structure. Common name, IUPAC name, all. Yes? थोड़ा सा जगह और ज्यादा ले लेते हैं 1 मिनट. Okay, it will be a complete revision. Yeah? Structure. And I will write common as well as IUPAC name. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us start. You should say, हाँ? अभी सब कुछ तुमको बोलना है. Number of
Carbon.
structure of
Alkyl group.
symbol R dash. Common name also known as
Trivial name.
Trivial name.
IUPAC full form.
International
Union of Pure and Applied
Chemistry.
Okay, first n equal to
One.
structure.
CH3 dash.
This is condensed
Yes,
structure or
dash.
structural formula.
Condensed.
Structural formula
Condensed.
will be correct.
Yes.
Common name.
Methyl.
IUPAC name.
Methyl.
Methyl.
Anything clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything clear. Very good. N equal to 2. Molecular formula.
C2H5 dash.
Very good. Condensed structure.
CH2 dash.
Structural formula. HHHH. Correct? Name.
Ethyl group.
IUPAC name.
Ethyl group.
Very good. N equal to
3.
molecular formula.
CH7
Number
dash.
of isomers.
CH7.
Structure. Chatri. Chattu. Chattu dash. Condensed structure. Next. Chatri. Cha dash. Chatri. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Common name.
N-propyl.
N-propyl group. Common name.
Isopropyl.
Or iso or sec propyl group. IUPAC name.
1-propyl.
1 propyl.
1-propyl. Either IUPAC name.
1 methyl ethyl.
1-methyl ethyl.
1-methyl ethyl. Good. Bouncer.
No, ma'am.
Come on.
Okay. Clear, no? Now we go to the next. And this full revision was required. Yes or no? एकदम perfect हो जाएगा.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर कुछ भी missing है वो भी आ जाएगा. Structure, common name, and IUPAC name. How many carbons?
4.
4.
N equal to 4. How many isomers?
4.
4.
Okay. What are they? What are the common name of the 4 isomers?
N-butyl, sec-butyl, tert-butyl, and isobutyl.
Very good, Yashvi. So number of carbons, structure of alkyl. What is the general formula of alkyl?
R dash.
So CnH2n plus 1 dash. R dash is general representation, not formula. Okay, common name is also called
Trivial.
Trivial.
International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry is nothing but the
Yes.
IUPAC name.
okay. N equal to 4. C4, molecular formula C4.
H9 dash.
Dash.
How many isomers?
4
4
isomers.
isomers.
Okay. One, two, three, four. चलो जो लोग ने आंसर नहीं दिया वो लोग अब आंसर देंगे फटाफट. कौन बोलेगा स्ट्रक्चर जिसने आज आंसर ही नहीं दिया एक भी. कम ऑन. चलो चलो अपना नाम. हाँ अपना नाम बोलो और आंसर बोलना चालू करो. परमिशन मत लो.
CH3 dash CH2 dash CH2 dash CH2 dash
ओके. कॉमन नेम तुम ही बोलो.
N-butyl.
N-butyl. IUPAC name. One butyl. Okay, next. Who will say next structure? Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Ma'am, can I say?
अरे अपना नाम बोलो और बोलना
Chinmay,
चालू.
Chinmay.
हाँ बोलना चालू.
CH3,
क्या?
CH, one branch, one unused bond,
हाँ.
CH2, CH3.
Very good. Common name.
Common name Sec butyl.
IUPAC
And
name. कहाँ से
IUPAC
numbering?
name? Numbering 1. Equal 1. Propyl 1 methyl.
अरे 1 के बाद नंबरिंग तो करना.
1 के बाद 2 आएगा राइट साइड पे. 2 3.
हाँ.
1 methyl propyl.
Very good, Chinmay. Next, who will say? Come on, come on. अब तो सीख लिया सबने. बोलो बोलो.
Ma'am, can I?
ए पापा नाम मत अपना नाम बोलो और आंसर बोलो.
यशवी.
परमिशन की जरूरत नहीं है. बोलो.
CH3, C, one branch of CH3 above and one unused branch down, and another side on right side CH3.
No, that is not isobutyl. Anyone else? Anyone else? Quick, quick, quick. इतना टाइम नहीं है यार. जल्दी बोलो.
CH3, CH, and then CH2, and then unused bond.
Okay. So the name is isobutyl. Common name to मालूम है. Nivriti, tell me how to number the carbon chain.
And from right 1, 2, 3.
You should not say from right. You should say from unused bond.
Okay, sorry. And 2 methyl propyl.
Okay, next. Who will say third butyl?
Ma'am, ma'am, CH3, then C, then CH3, and then one functional group on top, unused bond on carbon, and then one CH3.
Okay, tell me the IUPAC name.
The functional group is on carbon, so that will be 1, and then after that, CH3 will be 2, so it will be 1 1 dimethyl ethyl.
Very good. 1 1 dimethyl ethyl. Okay. So this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the last one. How many carbons?
5 carbons.
5 carbons. Okay. All are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Number of carbons and then structure, common name, IUPAC name. Correct? How many subdivisions?
8.
8.
Straight chain में कितने बनेंगे?
3.
3. One छतरी branch में कितने बनेंगे?
4.
4.
4. 1 minute. फटाफट बनाना पड़ेगा. 1, 2, 3, 4. थोड़ा लास्ट में जगह कम है, एडजस्ट कर लेंगे ना अपन लोग.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
ओके. नाउ चलो हेडिंग बोलो फटाफट. क्या डालूं?
Number of
Number
carbons.
of
structure.
carbons.
नंबर ऑफ सी. समझ रहे हो ना क्या लिखा है ये?
Yes, ma'am.
देन
Structure of alkyl.
structure of alkyl group. General formula of alkyl.
CnH2n plus 1 bond.
Dash.
And general representation.
R dash.
R dash.
R dash.
Okay. Chalo. N is equal to
5.
C5.
H11 dash.
8.
Isomers.
Hey, did we write there 4 isomers or no? Yes.
Yes.
Chalo. Tell me your name and tell the structure. Don't take permission.
Aman.
CH3, CH.
Aman को बोलने दो. Yeah, tell me.
CH3, CH2, 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 CH2 dash.
अरे कितना CH2 बोला बाबा?
1 CH3 और 4 बार CH2 और dash.
Okay. Common name.
N-pentyl.
IUPAC.
1 pentyl.
Don't wait for me. Common IUPAC. फटाफट बोल के खत्म करने का. Next structure. Come on.
CH3
Yeah.
dash CH2
Hmm.
dash CH इधर
Hmm?
CH2 dash
Hmm.
CH
Hmm.
dash CH3 नीचे का unused bond
Hmm. Common name.
like pentyl 1 dash methyl butyl.
Very good. Next.
Alston.
Yeah.
CH3 dash CH2 dash CH dash CH2 dash CH3 and one unused bond on CH. Sec pentyl and 1 dash ethyl propyl.
Hmm. Okay. Next. Come on. No one?
Kushi.
Yeah.
CH, CH3, CH. Functional group unused bond on CH. CH2, CH2, CH.
No. You are not going in order.
Means that CH wala was CH3 and then there was a.
Are anyone else? Come on. Okay, anyone can answer, whoever wants to.
Ma'am, Akshay.
Okay, Akshay, tell me.
CH3, CH, CH2, 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 unbond,
Unused bond.
unused bond, sorry. And means branch under CH3.
Branch under CH. CH3 branch under CH. Okay, tell me the common name.
Common name is isopentyl.
IUPAC name.
IUPAC name is Miss IUPAC name 1. 1 propyl.
क्या 1 यार, दिमाग का दही. 1 2 3 4 3 methyl butyl. 3 methyl butyl. Yes or no?
Yes, miss.
Okay, next, who will say? Gel CH3, CH, branch CH3, CH now, branch CH3, then CH, CH, unused bond on CH, then CH3. No common name. One comma two dimethyl propyl.
यस 1,2 क्यों नंबरिंग हम करेंगे यहां से, जहां अनयूज बॉन्ड है वही 1 है. लॉन्ग चेन हो गया 1 2 3. लॉन्ग चेन में 3 कार्बन हो गए और ये 2 ये और ये ब्रांच हो गए, तो 1 2 डाइमिथाइल प्रोपाइल. नेक्स्ट खुशी, नेक्स्ट बोलोगी.
हाँ, CH3, CH, ब्रांच ऑन CH3 का मिस उसके ऊपर ही अनयूज बॉन्ड CH, एक H निकल जाएगा.
ये H निकल जाएगा. या ओके.
And then CH2, 3.
What is the common name?
No common name.
Huh? Functional group is on 3-degree carbon.
Yes,
Tert
yes.
pentyl.
Tert pentyl.
Okay. IUPAC name?
1,1 dimethyl propyl.
Okay. Next.
Yashvi, unused bond CH2, then CH, then CH2, then CH3, and a branch on CH is CH3.
Okay. Common name?
No common name.
No common system. Okay. IUPAC?
2-methyl butyl.
Very good. Last structure, neopentyl, Chhatri C, Chhatri, Chhatri, Chattu dash. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me the IUPAC name. Yuvika.
Ma'am, 2,2 dimethyl propyl.
2,2 dash dimethyl propyl. So children, we did so many isomers. We have done from 1 carbon till 5 carbon, whatever number of alkyl groups we can make, their common name, their IUPAC name, we are done with. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm giving you one question. Just look at the board. What is the IUPAC name of an चल रेडी. इन दोनों में फर्क क्या है? दिस इज अ
Alkyl group.
Alkyl
And this
and
is a
alkane.
Alkane.
इसमें लॉन्ग चेन सिलेक्ट करेंगे. पोजीशन 1 किसको देंगे?
Unused
अनयूज्ड बॉन्ड से सिलेक्ट करेंगे. 1 2 3. तो लॉन्ग चेन में कितने कार्बन?
3.
प्रोपेन लिखूं या प्रोपाइल?
Propyl.
Propyl.
कितने ब्रांचेस हैं?
2.
2
ब्रांच का नाम क्या है?
Methyl.
methyl.
कितने मिथाइल हैं?
2.
Methyl.
मिथाइल पे
Dimethyl.
क्या लिखें?
Dimethyl.
उनका पोजीशन क्या है?
1,2.
ओके, लॉन्ग चेन में कितने कार्बन है?
4 carbons.
नंबरिंग कहाँ से करूं?
Left side.
Left से.
एंड से, क्योंकि अनयूज बॉन्ड नहीं है. कितने कार्बन है लॉन्ग चेन में?
4.
लॉन्ग चेन का नाम क्या लिखूं?
Butane.
Butane.
Why not butyl?
Unused bond नहीं है.
What is the branch?
Methyl.
Methyl branch.
Where it is hanging?
Second
Second.
carbon.
2-methyl
Second.
butane.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? Okay. So now I am ending the recording because we are already done with all the names of alkyl groups with the structure and their common and IUPAC name. We've also done the comparison of alkyl group with the alkane. Yes. Now in the next lecture, we'll be doing at least 40, 50, 60, 80 or 100 examples on IUPAC, and I'll teach you the various rules of IUPAC system, the various functional group. You have written that table of functional groups 3-4 times. You have made it. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what we'll be discussing in detail. Okay.